If you're visiting Fukuoka soon, this video might help you find your way through some of its most interesting sights. Luxury bags, hidden shopping gems, a massive underground mall, and one of Fukuoka's most beautiful city parks. These are what we're going to show you in this video as we explore Tenjin, the vibrant heart of Fukuoka. Our first stop is Book of Super Bazaar Mina Tenjin, a paradise for luxury bargain hunters where you'll find second-hand luxury bags, gadgets, and rare collectibles. This is located in Mina Tenjin, a major shopping complex in Fukuoka directly connected to the Tenjin Underground Mall. From Mina Tenjin, we're heading to the iconic Tenjin Underground Mall. No visit to Tenjin is complete without exploring the famous Tenjin Underground Mall. Stretching nearly 600 meters beneath the city, this European-inspired shopping strip is home to more than 150 shops, cafes, and local favorites, all connected to the major stations and buildings right above it. Known as the city's premier shopping and entertainment district, this area is packed with hidden gems and some of the best shopping experiences in the city. Some of the shops you'll find here are LUSH Cosmetic Store, The Body Shop, Charles and Keith, Ball and Chain Luggage Store, Luna Earth Fashion Accessories, Kura Chica by Porter, Quark Fukuoka for ROLEX, Calvin Klein, and numerous clothing and shoe stores. There are also several cafes such as Matcha House and Starbucks. From Tenjin Underground Mall, we're heading to another famous landmark in Tenjin, the ACROS Fukuoka Step Garden, also known as the Echo Building. ACROS Fukuoka Step Garden is referred to as the Living Mountain Building in Tenjin. It is a massive 14-level green roof garden covered in over 50,000 plants and waterfalls. You can hike up the outer stone staircases all the way to a 60-meter high observation deck. If you're planning to climb up the step garden, be mindful that you cannot enter the garden from inside the building. You must use the outer entrances located on the south side facing the Tenjin Central Park. Right next to ACROS Fukuoka Step Garden is the Tenjin Central Park. This park is a popular 3.1-hectare urban green space which serves as a scenic bridge or attraction between the bustling Tenjin Commercial District and Nakasu. During our visit, there's an ongoing seasonal event, the Aloha Fukuoka. It is an Hawaiian-themed celebration that showcases Hawaiian-inspired food park, music, and programs. And that ends our walking tour around Tenjin. Indeed, this part of Fukuoka offers a little bit of everything: shopping, sightseeing, food, and hidden gems around every corner. We hope that you enjoyed exploring Tenjin with us and maybe discovered a few places to add to your own Japan travel list.